Want to create thumbnails like Tube Sensei, Decoding YT, Thumbnail Guy, or even Mr. Beast style thumbnails? You're in the right place. This video is made just for you. Let's get started. Pick a video thumbnail you want to recreate. I really like this one, so I'll show you how to recreate it step by step. So first, you have to copy the link of that YouTube video. Then, go to Google and search YouTube thumbnail downloader, open the first link you see. Now, paste the copied link there and download the thumbnail image. Now again on Google search avatar, pick any one. I am choosing this one. Now here comes the magic, open ChatGPT, upload your thumbnail, avatar, and type this prompt. Replace the avatar with the given one. Here we go, ChatGPT has recreated the thumbnail. Take a look, we have recreated this thumbnail in under 1 minute. For more such informative videos, please support my channel by subscribing to it and pressing the bell icon. Your love and support means everything to me as I dedicate my time and efforts making every video special just for you.